ISERR function returns logical value true if cell has any type of error except for NA error value. If any cell has NA error value, ISERR function returns the logical value false. This function also returns the logical value false if any cell has text or number values. This function has only one argument. In value argument, select the cell reference or formula that has any type of error value. Click cancel. Active this cell. Click more functions arrow button. Click ISERR function. In value box, select this cell reference value. Click OK. Function returns true in this cell because this cell has not an error value. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns logical value false in this cell because this cell has an error value. Function also returns logical value in these two cells because these two cells have text and number values. So ISERR function returns logical value false if any cell has an error value, and if any cell has text and number values, then this function will also returns logical value false.